Okay, so now as I said, here's a review of the DX Yokkaiwachi. So here's the front of the package. And I found out a typo. It says right here an Usurakage and a Purichi medal, even though it comes with an Usurakage and a Fushigi medal. Okay, so here's the back of the package. Gassian. So as you can see, the watch lights up and it says "Ladies and Gentlemen" when the summoning song begins. Then it plays the summoning song. And still they advertise it with a Purichi song. Anyway, and here are 6 of the yokai, which are Sergeant Bully of the Isamashi tribe, Fubuki Hime of the Purichi tribe, Jibanyan of the Purichi tribe, Komasan of the Purichi tribe, Hitotsume Kozo of the Purichi tribe, and Usepion of the Usurakage tribe. And it's so blurry, like Pawan, and then you can put in an SD card for additional summoning songs, and then Confusion. And here it advertises the Busters medallion, the Busters page, Yokkaiwachi Busters, and the DX Yokkaiwachi. Here it explains the choking hazard. Okay, so I had to take this out of the packaging in order to get the watch out. And in order to get the medals out to test them. Okay, so here's the watch itself, and it's actually really nice. It's actually a lot better than the other one, than the others that I had. So basically, lights up. So basically the color scheme is a lot better. It's like a metallic blue, and here's the SD card spot. Okay, so you do get 2 medals. You get Usepion and you get Pinto Corn. I did want to make this review a couple weeks earlier, but I lost the Usepion medal and it took me a couple weeks to find it. Okay, now let's test it out. So it basically lights up. So if you press the button again, it says their summoning name. So here's the on and off switch. So if you turn it on, the way you can tell it's on by the ring of colors. But if you hold the light button and you turn it on, it tells you which version it's on. It's telling that it's version 1 because I haven't even updated my watch at all. Okay, so this is what happens if you insert a medal in wrong. It says Suchinai, and that means that's not right. Or if you insert a medal in too slowly, like this, it doesn't say anything. And that's the sound it's supposed to make when you take a medal out. Okay, so basically these straps are a lot shorter than all the other Bandai watches. And I actually really like the Bandai watches more than the Hasbro watches. It's because the Hasbro watches have really terrible straps. Like, you're paying less for the straps. Strap quality. I would actually pay a lot more for the Hasbro watches for better straps. Okay, so basically these American medals, they're red. As you can see, Usepion, he has, he's a hollow medal, so as you can see, he sparkles. And it's really blurry, but you can actually see little stars. can actually see the hollow. Okay, so there's a glitch that you can do with the watch. Like, if you put a piece of paper, like, in one of these tiny railings right here, it's gonna play a different song. You're supposed to flip the watch over so that the paper doesn't fall out. Hold on. Okay, can you see the little stars? Like, there's supposed to be stars right there. So basically, I'm actually gonna get some more of these Japanese medals. Because I only have 2 American medals for Japanese. I have a ton of American ones. So basically, there are different types of medals. Like, there are gray medals. There are gray medals, which are basically the ones that I have for the American version. There are Z medals, which are green medals. There are also classic medals, which are medals of yokai from old folklore. And they have a really unique design, as the arrow pointing up is not dented, but it's actually molded in. And the tribe is actually not dented. And then comes U medals. Basically, U medals are the same as Z medals. They're green. Only that U medals are only, you can only play them with the U watch. Then comes American medals, which are these right here, these red ones. But the difference between classic medals and American medals are that the red right here is transparent, while the red in the classic medals isn't transparent. So both the U and the Z medals have transparent green. The only difference is that the Z medal logo is right here. Goes right here on the left of the medal, while the U medal symbol goes on the top right of the medal, right next to the arrow. And then there are dream medals, which only work with the Dream Watch. So basically, there are medals that resemble little poker chips, and then they have unique microchips in them that are different than all the other ones. And then there are also song medals, which you can only play with this watch. And song medals are basically different yokai medals, but they play songs in them instead of regular summoning songs. Okay, so basically the U medal set that I'm getting has 12 packs. You get 24 medals. So basically, there's Maschion, Yokai Guts F, Yokai Guts K, Jetanyan, Gurerurin Song Medal, Pridon, Komasan S, Jibanyan S, Komajiro S, Hikari Orochi, Yami Kyubi, the red Oni, the blue Oni, the black Oni, and that was my review of the DX Yokai Watch U. Tune back in a while. Tune back in between 2 days and 7 weeks to see me open the box of U medals.